welcome back. This is now the late night show on top Wazobia TV, channel 195 for Star Times. And if you not just join us, don't worry, I never miss too much. We still get our Ogbonge guest for house. We get General Ode and we get CY. Then I still three of us, Obi Martins, the head, of course, and my first wife, Skimpy Lala, and of course, the darling Ugochi Una Oyoyo Bebe for the house. Now still we three, they pilot this show. Hoping say on a night no go dull. If una day don't spoil, reach afternoon, no worry. Before you sleep, you go get sweet dreams. As we don't
and we get an easy beat for the house.
Yes, so we get easy beating. They always scratch. They give us sweet melodies. Now we get topic of the day. As Obi Martins, the head of the family, take talk on. He said whether a good make husband and wife they get separate rooms for the same apartment. And before we go on break, we will explain the various ways where they take enjoy ourselves, where they take make love, make we talk and like that. And me, I like romance. I know they hide mouth. It not be my fault. You know, so in case you won't follow us on top of our social media, I better run go follow us for
Twitter.
Okay, for Twitter, we there for there at
W Late Night Show.
For Instagram, now Wazobia TV NG. And Wazobia TV NG for Facebook, now we there. So make una join us. Oh, yeah, head of the family.
You say you like romance?
Yes.
Before you start, hey, you like romance? You won't how they beg you every night. How they beg you for my own thing again?
Now, because you know they're romantic now. You know, because you know they're romantic.
What? I say,
you know they're romantic. You know they allow my candle burn.
Gosh, you know, I get solution to
still
that
on the
problem.
candle matter.
Okay.
I get solution. See, if it's a easy beat there for BQ and in a DJ. By that time, they say you know they're romantic. You just go play. You know that song, Mr. Romantic, call me fantastic.
I don't want
so you go you go take a ginger in spirit now. Just help him. Thank you, help him.
Okay, I'll consider it.
Okay, seriously, we still get our comedian. Yes, General Ode inside the house, and we still get CY inside the house. Yes, you know what we want me you do now, General Ode. As it be say we don't promise the people on top the show. See, before they sleep this night, as we go she talk they must smile. Yes, they must get sweet dreams. So you know what happen? Just for a few minutes, just let them laugh. The floor na your na. Let them laugh. I trust you. I believe you die.
Okay. Now so if my country people, my name na General Ode, the comedy general. But let it suit me well because me there inside the studio with correct Ogbonge people. You know, we dey talk about romance today. Romance. The thing where they be say, when you want do, if you dey too romantic, your children will be too soft. You go get soft children. Because they were, you know, see as we had like this, my daddy does it very hard. 16 of us. Now so we had like this because my daddy, you know, he go just take, open. You go just see, 9 months later, you go just see us, they come on strong. And my mommy and daddy in one room, they sleep. Out of 17 of us, now the same one room we they sleep. Where we they sleep for that room, our leg, they come out inside door. That is the door, not the lock. We they sleep inside room, leg, they come out inside door. To tell you how we plenty inside the house. And when my daddy want to do at times, you know, they take it too easy. Even we say, they do like say, na stadium, we they go daddy. If you see the, you can be like say we they hear our daddy.
Easy. You. No problem.
Our daddy go they do.
He do. All that is built on papa outside. He do. And as you say, you inherit it for your papa because if your papa boss something, you go burn times 2 now.
Let me say one thing. Me, my children, they go, now DXTV, they go watch what we want to do that. Go be like saying, now match, come. Come on, watch my daddy.
No one.
Okay, I like that part. That go daddy. Then the girls with the among themselves suppose they ginger on her mama.
No,
mommy open. Mommy open.
Inside the net. And now talking to the laugh.
I like romance, but that's too hard for me.
It's cool.
If you know how I want to walk,
How they walk?
If you know how I want to walk.
Maybe when man strong, how they walk. If man soft, he can't walk.
That was a sickness.
Okay, now maybe
Wait, till they laugh. Then the shift come, the shift go back. Shift.
No one's there now.
No, don't worry now. I don't
where?
I was there.
Ask CY what you
okay,
want.
now maybe enter CY level. CY now you dey drop music, you be musician, no be so. Okay, I bet tell us for people who no really know you for us. Tell us the songs where you don't drop if you don't feature anybody or anybody don't feature you.
All right. My first breakout, as in my first breakthrough in the music industry, like I did Shoko Yoko Talk.
Which one be English?
2012, now I dropped Shoko Yokoto. That Shoko Yokoto, he enjoy here play.
Okay.
Not really in Lagos, but some parts of Nigeria like Oshun, Ekiti, blah blah blah, and some other songs like that. But I don't feature for many songs. So
Okay.
where artists feature me, you don't too plenty. You don't reach 60 plus. Way too plenty. But like superstars, I'm planning to feature some superstars.
Okay.
You know, but the only person where I featured back then was Z-Word. He don't die now. Rest in peace to him. So now the only guy where I feature back then, because I like to do my own thing by myself.
Okay.
But now I'm planning to feature someone.
But now they feature. They don't cause you won't see your face if I treat the talk. Because the only person we feature now don't die. He died now. More than see your face.
No, so that if they meet you for road, they'll not say,
Come on, the glass
No,
no,
sure,
sure now. Nah, see why
Some
be
not
this.
there for here now.
Sure.
I be some they enter nice.
True.
You know why I don't do?
So now one thing about Nigeria artists, that's what we they do.
You don't enter that
Okay, now I
automatically.
no go.
We
I
let them automatically because already self we don't ask them personal question. We don't ask them about
Yeah,
their,
sure that.
you know how they'll take do their madam inside house. Okay, now make
Madam,
I still ask you this other question.
All right.
See why? Presently, which song you don't drop?
Okay,
Where they bust down.
yeah, Wayo. The title is Wayo.
Okay.
Yeah.
How
It's
you
out now.
go? Just give us just freestyle and
It's a
with
love
mouth.
song. I dropped two. One is Shakira 2 and this one is Wayo.
Why you?
Yeah. That
Okay, now we don't want to give you instrumental. That why you just drop and small.
No, don't worry. I'll perform Wayo. Let me sing that Shakira too.
Okay.
It's like, you know, all this Yoruba stuff. Okay.
Oh yeah, now.
All right. Shakira too. Simbi too. Don't die for love all the way. Shakira too. Yeah, well, I say, Aboko kulu fair, niti hair. Oh yeah, la 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 la. Oh yeah, la 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 la. 1985, Abule Oloke Refala. She was the village belly, Hama to the Shakira too.
Now my name be that too, Shakira too.
You do.
Wait.
You do.
Oh, Mati, wait. See, right, seriously, this song where you perform now, Shakira too.
Yeah.
Make ask you this thing before I drop one thing within my
Okay.
mind. I really need this your answer. Wetin inspire you to sing this song? As in, you watch
Okay.
another person's song, you listen to one person's song before you sing them.
Nah.
Abi you get person wey dey
Actually,
bear Shakira
This
too.
song, now my father write am. He don't tell na true life story. He don't tell with the man write am. But he knows Sabi compose. They write stuffs back then when
Your
we
father rightist. Rightist.
So now he write am. So he don't tell which way he don't dey talk about that song. I can't see the lyrics. Now me come
You
try
come
compose
pick 'em up.
Come pick am up, come compose am. That is about the day where I do am. I no plan to do that song. Now another song I go do for studio. So I go to sing and the producer comes say, do this song now. This song makes sense. So now so you just do the song for me.
Okay, you know why I ask you this thing? I know whether not only me know this song, this Asha song. You know say
Yeah.
it get same tone.
Yeah,
Waidi. Almost Sekino.
Nah,
I can't say maybe I'm the why.
Nah,
You
no.
know, I
They
want
almost
to-
stop. They almost stop. Oh, if it just resemble, but the tone where I take sing my own, it did different.
Okay.
It did
And
different.
possibly the beat.
But no, they can't. That song, as in that song, it's just like Asha stuffs, as in Asha style, but not like Asha song.
Okay.
Okay, you know what? No time. Mr. Now we don't get time because when I say go house, go sleep. Cause time don't go. Just
My eyes on the close, sef.
I know close. What's in there front?
Wait, where this?
Now water, now
Now
only
water.
water.
You have ever no try
No,
me.
here with people they call this thing devil's urine.
Ah.
So
Like-
you said they drink am.
Now you look me.
You did your
Like-
front now.
Look and see if you get salt.
You don't get now sugar you get.
All right, now the late night show will still there with Obi Martin, Skippy, and Ugochi, and our two Obunga guests will be General Ode and CY, and the guy where they follow us for the show. Where we say if you leave your house for you gonna be your people will leave for house with the Easy Beat. Now I thought I wish after they say too much talk, you know go make father go sleep for
Lie.
house. And they say picking when my boyfriend go call her uncle.
You go call him grandpa, no be uncle, grandpa.
All right, skip you talk about experience. All right, our word of the day for tomorrow. Now waiting. Today, because of timing, because traffic there everywhere today, because of timing, our guests they'll go sleep. That make us not do it in people's parliament, and that make us not show when waiting they happen. All of the today, waiting, can we tell them?
Yes, now you sabi nicely on top the table. Now you sabi nicely on top the table. On top how you get the good English of now you sabi. Don't forget say you go into our Twitter handle at W Late Night Show. Go drop your answer for there. Now you sabi talking for good English. And don't forget say you still got to answer another question where we ask you say it makes sense make husband and wife with inside the same house, make them they share different room, and not still forget say
you go
how you take they do your first move, how you take the if you dey in the mood. How you take the let your husband or your wife or your guy or your babe know say, hey, chairman, I need this thing right now.
Me, don't finish that song, go. Follow him now.
Okay. I beg our technical director, Mr. Ani Baba, aka Mr. Malabo, I beg, maybe say tweet. How you take the do if you want the hair? How you take the tell your hair? Say you ready for the mood. I'm in the mood, I'm in the mood, I'm in the mood. It is a foul piggy with the hide. Foul piggy where you gonna carry when it's small. You gonna be carry again. Ugochi, tonight. Tonight is the night.
You they sing it.
Tell me what's on your mind.
My people, like I talk before,
Go prepare the water.
Sweet drinks.
Excuse me. Go prepare the water.
You don't blow trumpet again, no.
No, forget trumpet. Forget trumpet.
Okay.
I'll fear you.
You don't blow trumpet again.
The
no.
worst
You go still come here tomorrow.
The worst comes to the worst. Easy beats.
Easy beats.
Can you go that way to go?
You dey hear am, abi?
I don't know where you
Skimpy.
No, make we give CY Mike. Make we give CY Mike. Make it do it and make it take carry us come up for this show this evening. Don't forget say we go gun body with you this same time tomorrow from 10 to 11. Yes, so we dey tell you say anything where Oluwa Skimpy no go do, anything where Pretty MC1 no go do, make sure say you know do. I don't know about Obi Martin. Now here we dey tell on say bye bye with this one from CY. Make sure say you know talk. Make sure say you know talk.
You put your hand for your armpit, side is man. I want to say, don't forget say I skip not talking, I will not carry this level. At this point, we won't go sleep. I will sure say on a night go sweet. Election they come, no do what you make government arrest you. Vote, open your eye, vote wisely. Anybody where you vote, and you put on there. Foul picky where you go to carry. I won't go sleep. If I sleep, you will not be carry me. Tell us how agro they do you, how you do that pass. You know, Ugochi. I'm in the mood, I'm in the mood, I'm in the mood.
You don't get metaqualism.
See what? Is it?
You don't get metaqualism.
Right, quality meta. See what? Let's go. Let's go.
All right.
Uncle Even on the beat.
Hey. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. See why?
Listen.
I'm in love. I've been at you. We're gonna talk. Say I go marry. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Show some love. Oh. Now me and you together. We go live forever. Now you the baby. Now you the baby. Oh, yeah, now you the baby. Now you go be my God. Now you the baby. Now you go be my God. Love is sweet and love is nice. So it's good to be in love with somebody. I am 90, I go do you well. Your market is sell. Oh, no.